why to eat early and healthy. So what do you think, that it is beneficial to eat early and healthy or not? Hello fitness family, कैसे हैं आप सब? Hope you all are great and hustling well. Today we are gonna talk about the benefits of eating early and eating healthy. First on the list, we are moving towards the level of our body and also to our mind. In this we gonna talk about first about eating early. What are the benefits? Firstly, it improves your digestion. No stomach issues will be there if you eat early. Before 7, or I will rather say at the time of 8 pm, at the time 8 pm, you gonna eat your dinner. And I'm pretty sure you will not have any digestion problem further. And by the way, everything is being evolved in our body through these 5 तंत्र, पाचन तंत्र, जिनको हम लोग पाचन तंत्र बोलते हैं. इन्हीं पाचन तंत्र से हमारी डाइजेशन इम्प्रूव होता है, जिससे हमारी बॉडी इम्प्रूव करती है, राइट? सो वी गोना टेक इट सीरियसली ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ डाइजेशन. वी गॉट टू थिंक अबाउट दैट. सो स्टार्ट ईटिंग early. And other things are, secondly, metabolic regulation will in the body will be improved. Blood circulation will be improved. Your sleep cycle, most important thing. Many people in these days are missing their sleeps. They are sleeping only about 5 to 6 hours, and it is not as good as at the level of our mind also, and also on the level of our body. They are not different. So start eating healthy and early. Basically, eating early will help you taking your sleep at a right time, at a right hours. So it improves your sleep cycle. And fourth one is, it improves your weight circulation. Weight regulation is most important. For many people, the obese problem is there, and it is because of that not eating early. Now friends, we will go to talk about eating healthy. What are these eating healthy means to a person? What are the foods that are healthy for us? We're gonna talk about it later, but first we will go to talk about the benefits of eating healthy. The benefits of eating healthy is not as same as truly same as eating early, but some are there. It regulates your blood circulation. It improves your blood circulation like anything. If you eat green veggies and healthy stuff, your blood circulation will be top notch, and by that, at that point, at the level of your mind, it regulates, it supplies that blood, oxygenated blood. Heart will supplies all the oxygenated blood to your brain, and by that your brain functions more better than it was. So it regulates blood circulation. Secondly, it regulates your weight also. We will not get obese after eating healthy stuffs. Thirdly is, it improves your well-being. You feel positive, you feel great when you eat healthy. So start well and eat healthy. Eating healthy also prevents the heart strokes. Many people nowadays have a heart stroke below 20 years of age, and it's the harsh reality. So they got to understand, we got to understand that eating healthy and at the right time is so much important for our life. and it improves. Eating healthy also improves your positivity. You feel positive when you eat good veggies, nice things that energize your energy within. So, what to eat? What are the healthy stuff that we can eat? At the time of breakfast, I suggest to eat myself, और मैं भी यही चीज़ें खाता हूँ. I eat दलिया और oats or उपमा, which are the great source for protein and carbs. Secondly, at the time of lunch, I prefer to eat only and only, try to eat only and only घर का खाना. I know there is not so much protein or there are fats and carbs in the Indian food, but the main component, which is protein, is missing, and vitamins also. So, but the घर का खाना is so much important in our life than anything else. कहते हैं ना कि घर का खाना ही होता है, और वो घर का खाना जो होता है ना, वो उसके अंदर जो प्यार होता है आपकी माँ का, आपकी वाइफ का, जिसका भी होगा, आपका जो मतलब वो प्यार जो होता है ना, वो रोटी जब आती है मज़ा आ जाता है, राइट? तो हैव दैट. I truly suggest that. I also do, and then only here I am sharing with you. Third, at the time of snacks, at the time of evening snack or afternoon snack, I prefer to drink a cup of milk or sprouts. And if you are non-vegetarian, you will go to have eggs, chicken sometimes, and fish. It's up to you. And at the time of dinner, I prefer to eat veggies, chapati, and if you are veg then or non-veg, you can eat soya beans and these things, paneer, tofu, and curd. Yeah, curd is basically the main component that we have to be there in our everyday meal, because it regulates our metabolism, through which our digestion improves. क्योंकि दही की जो तासीर होती है ना, दही की जो तासीर होती है वो ठंडी होती है, इसलिए वो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. और गर्मियों में तो I prefer it too lot. So try to eat घर का खाना at the night also, and as well as early also, without not so much oil. अगर आपकी मम्मी बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल मिलाती हैं तो उनसे थोड़ा सा लड़ झगड़ के या बातचीत करके थोड़ा सा कम कर लो. अगर आप ओबेस हो, नहीं तो it's fine, it's not too much. So here is the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Get the information that eating healthy and eating early is so much important in our life, like anything. Start well. So from today itself, after this video, do these. Start implementing these. Be consistent and be disciplined, and the results will make a noise. Peace.